NSUन शुक्रारा गोय विद्यापीठाच्या कंट्रोलराक घालो घेराव. परीक्षेचो निकाल जावन वर्स जाले तरी अजून कॉन्वोकेशन सर्टिफिकेट विद्यार्थ्यांक दिल्ले ना म्हण NSUन बोवाळ केल्लो. आता 15 जूनाक कॉन्वोकेशन सर्टिफिकेट दितले म्हण उतर कंट्रोलरान दिला. RDX को खातीर ताळगांवच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आता आमी आयिल्ले टू गेट द कन्वोकेशन सर्टिफिकेट्स. इट टूक देम अ इयर. ऑगस्टान रिजल्ट आयिल्ले. In February they had given the dates for the convocation certificates to be given to the students, but it took them so much time. It's been like a year. आणि आयज आमकां सगळ्यांक घेवन येवचें पडटलें. इट्स नॉट की आमी फर्स्ट टायम आयला हेजे कडेन. We've come to her like 10 to 20 times, and today it's a victory of the student power that she gave a date that on 15th she is going to give the convocation certificates to the students, and we will come back to her on 15th with all the students, and we will take the convocation certificates from her. If she's not giving, again we'll do something, and we will not leave until we get our rights. And we are here to fight for the rights of the students, and we'll fight for the students' rights always.
You know, as you all know, the convocation which was supposed to be held in
February,
President should be coming here, was delayed. In fact, we were told that we would be given another date.
Is it because Manohar Parrikar is not in Goa? Yes or no? Yes or no? I know it is not your mistake. It is the mistake of Manohar Parrikar because you are yes or no?
Sorry, one by one.
I'm not aware. There was some other commitment of the president. He could not come to that point, and we were told that we would be given another.
President could have.
When we realized it was getting delayed, and that there was students started asking for the certificate sometime in late April, we took a decision that we would now delink, because due to this delay, we would delink the convocation giving the certificates, because students require it. And now all this requires a procedure. It requires, number one, you know, we are a university, we are a public university. We require.
Ma'am, she did not come to listen to all that. I'm just telling you this, that after the procedure was completed, it has to go through different bodies, etc. It has to be approved by governor. The certificates needed to be redesigned, because now it will not hold the convocation date, it will hold the date of declaration of result. So after this was done, just listen to me, after this was done, they have gone for printing. Just this week, they've all gone for printing. I personally have signed the thing. We have submitted all the formats, and the degrees are being. It took a year.